Hi girls and cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing Equestria Girl Sunset Shimmer from My Little Pony. So let's get started. To draw this cute Equestria girl, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another circle. There. So now my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom and same thing over here. There. So now I have the eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and spruce them up a little bit with some lashes. So I'll just put in maybe two curves and same thing over here. There. And then let's come above her eye about right here and I'm just going to draw a soft arc for her brow. And same thing on the other side. And now that we have that, let's give her a sweet smile. So in between, right in the center, about right here, let's go ahead and draw a curve and go up and cap it off. Now from there, let's go ahead and frame her face. I'm going to come to the top of her eye, come out right next to these lashes, give myself a point, same thing over here. And then we're just going to go ahead and draw a curve next to the eyes. And then we're going to aim towards the bottom center. I'm going to curve. I'm going to come right back to my center and then just give myself a point, say about right here where I want her chin. And I'm just going to aim for that point. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just giving myself a point so it's easier for me to see where I'm going since I'm drawing pretty big. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this up a tiny bit more, just a little bit. And now we need to draw her hair. So in the center is this strand of hair that wiggles down. So I'm going to find my center first. So I'm going to say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point about right here. And I'm going to draw this curve coming down. And we're going to get really close to the brows. And then wave it out. There. And then right back here, we need to draw this strand. So I'm going to wiggle maybe 3 times into the center and then just come right back up. And then whatever space, say about right here, you have left, we're just going to finish this part off next to her brow again and come out. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go back to the center. And we're just going to go up straight to about right here. And then I'm going to go up on both sides and come down. So same thing here. So then right about here and here, I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. And then in this space right here, I'm just going to draw a strand of hair. And then a little bit of her ear, just a little curve. So same thing here. Strand and then just a little bit of indication of her ear. And then let's see here, let's bring this out a little bit more and then we're going to connect it all. So we're going to slant a little bit on the sides right here and then bring this part down. So on this side, we're just going to bring this curve down and the same thing over here. Just give it a slight slant and then curve and connect. There. Okay, so then, you know what? Let's draw the rest of her hair later. We're putting all the details. Let's draw her body first. So I'm going to come back to the center, about right here and here, and give her a little space for her neck. But I'm just going to go straight down. She's wearing this little jacket. Then I'm going to come back about right here and draw the collar. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. And then we're going to bring this in, zigzag and down. And same thing here. There. And then let's bring this down a little bit more. To about right there. And then I'm going to come right back here, just give a little line on both sides where her shoulders would be, and I'm going to bring this down at a slant. And same thing here. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it. There. And then in this space, kind of like where her waist would be, I'm just going to put in 2 little lines. And then also, almost forgot, right here, we need to put in a curve for her top. And then since we're here, let's go ahead and we're going to draw her skirt. So just come in a little bit. Bring this out. And say about right there, and then just connect it with a curve. From there, let's go ahead and draw her legs. So find your center about right here and go to the left a little bit and to the right. And we're just going to draw a slight angle line down. And then right about here, just going to thicken it up, and let's work on this side first. So I'm just going to bring an angle line all the way down. And same thing here, and we're just going to get thinner as we come down for her ankles to about right here. And then I'm going to stop, cut it off, and we need to draw her boots. So I'm just going to pop this part out, and there's a few layers. It's like these are like straps, and then continuing her boot, and then another strap. And then coming down as usual, and then round it off. And at the bottom right here, just thicken up the sole. There. And I'm going to lightly put in some circles for some detail. Okay, so let's do the same thing on the other side. And about right here. And same thing. There. Okay, so got her boots in, and then let's come back right here, and we're going to draw her arm, and we want her hand bent and have her hands about right here on her hips. So I'm going to start right here and round it off. I'm going to thicken it up about right here. So I'm going to bring it down about here, and I want to end about here. So it's angled down, and then another angle for the hand. And let's just go ahead and thicken it all up. The wrist, then come down, and a finger. And then for a sleeve, about right here, just cut it off. So same thing on this side, just round it off. And I'm just dragging these points across so that I'm approximately the same location on both sides. And once again, we just want to thicken it up. And fingers and the sleeve. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's put in some details. So right about here is like, I think, a pocket line, and there's some circles here too. I'll just put in that many, and then in the center, I'm just going to put in a heart to make this my draw so cute sunset shimmer. And then on her skirt, let's see here, about right here, I'm going to draw the strap, goes across, another one, and then there's a line coming down. Just for some key details and little lines going across. Okay, so now we can finally finish up her hair. So let's work on this side. And right about here, I'm going to bring it down. And before I do that, I need to come back about right here. And I'm going to curve it out. Then connect it to whatever space you have left. And then we're going to curve it in. That's what makes her hair kind of unique, is this shape that kind of fans out. So then on this side, that would be nice to change it up. So let's come right about here. And I'm going to draw a curve and come out. Then draw a strand, zigzag right here, and then finish it off with that curve, just like the other side. If you're not comfortable doing this, you can definitely just draw the same thing on the other side. And then one more thing is, I think she has more hair, so I'm just going to draw this curve, angle it in, and maybe a little bit here showing for the bottom. And then now for some details in her hair to make it make this a little bit more curvy. To give it, so because there's different colors in her hair, let's come about right here, and I'm just going to lightly draw these strands. It's an important detail in her hair. And then right about here, oh, I totally forgot. So right about here is this very important strand. I need to come out and then pop this part out. Sorry about that, I totally forgot. So I'm just going to pop this out and make this come out more. And then for some details, so a strand here, here, here if you like. Trying to add some detail without going too complicated, but I just want to add these lines wherever. And I think that is pretty much it. So hopefully I got everything in for this drawing of Sunset Shimmer, the Equestria girl from My Little Pony. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.